What's up, Rick Fats? Today I'm here with
Ace, Weld Racing.
tell me about some of these wheels.
All right, so we got a lot of wheels. Depending on what the customers like or what car they drive, we pretty much have wheels for everything. So what you see here behind you is going to be our performance wheels in our RTS line. This is going to be for more of your street and strip type of cars, like the cars that are on the lane right now, all the Mustangs, the Camaros, the Hellcats, all those cars, we have wheels for them. We do make to order wheels, so you call us, tell us the size that you want, the specs that you need. Our engineers will program it out and make the wheels for you. And on the back side, we have some of our other wheels that you can do for off-road. We have skinny fronts for true drag racing. We make wheels for sprint cars. You name it, we have wheels for it.
Did you make anything else that's not wheels?
Yeah, so part of the MW company, we also have Momo, which we do fire suits, gloves, shoes, seats, harnesses that also go on the race cars. But our main business is wheels in all the brands that we do. What's your favorite car?
Favorite car is 92 Fox 5.
92 Fox Body Mustang? These wheels will fit on the 92 Fox Body Mustang. Same with this style, that
What's your
car.
favorite car?
My favorite car? Ooh, I'm a import guy, so I'll have to say an R34 Skyline. That'll probably be my favorite. If I had to pick a domestic car, I would have to say a Challenger. I kind of like how the front end of that car has that classic look, but you still have all the modern technology in it. So that'll probably be my favorite. As far as racing for you, which class is your favorite?
Pro
Pro Mod?
or Pro Street?
Pro Mod or Pro Street? Those are both pretty good. Who's your favorite driver in Pro Mod?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Just like the sport overall. That's pretty
I
good.
know my favorite racer is Cletus.
Cletus is your favorite racer? A lot of people like Cletus, especially at this track. Everybody loves Cletus, so you can't go wrong with that.
Yeah. What's your favorite rim in this booth?
My favorite wheel in this booth is probably going to be the S81, the one right here behind me. I definitely like it in different colors. We have one in the back right there with the custom powder coat. That looks really, really sharp. I like that. That would look really good either in big 20-inch diameter or 15-inch with a V block will look really good. How about you? Which one's your favorite?
I kind of like the black one also.
This black one? Oh, you like the CCW? Yeah, the CCW Classic. That's a really nice choice. A lot of the guys that drive Supras, they really love that wheel.
If my brother was here, he would like the gold one.
Yeah, yeah. That's the beauty of the custom colors. Everybody can pick their own colors and do it. So that's really nice. But I definitely appreciate you coming by the booth. It was nice to meet you. Have fun.